In the world of construction, accuracy and reliability are paramount. Every project requires the right tools and materials to ensure long-lasting strength and durability. Introducing Globe Construction Chemicals Private Limited, a dynamic and innovative company established in 2015, dedicated to manufacturing top-quality construction chemicals with the production of 1 lakh ton per annum. At Globe, we understand that every construction project is unique. That's why we provide smart constructive solutions for a wide range of applications. From concrete essentials to wall solutions, tiling and stone solutions to waterproofing solutions, flooring solutions to structural grout, repair and restoration to expansion joint and sealant products. We have you covered. Our expert technical support team is always ready to assist you, ensuring that you have the guidance and expertise you need at every step of the way. When it comes to construction chemicals, trust the leader in the industry. Globe Construction Chemicals, delivering high-quality products, expert technical support, and unmatched customer service. Together, build better forever.